sometimes when you water, you may not have a water breaker for the end of the water, either a hose or a nozzle. Sometimes even the end comes off of your water sprinkler. Well, if you just pour this on the ground, it's going to really make a mess and possibly bury the crown of your plants even more. So you don't want to do that, but you could always use whatever means you have. You can do this with a garden hose or anything, and just carefully and gently break up the water that's coming to the ground with your hands, and stay away from the base of the plant and water around it. That way you won't continue to bury the plants and they will end up getting watered. And then they'll all be watered.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.